Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OneDrive to Final Cut Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Ensure you're signed in to your OneDrive account through the OneDrive app. Close Final Cut Pro if it's currently open. Use Finder to locate the OneDrive folder on your computer. Right-click on the OneDrive folder and select Get Info. In the Info window, make sure your user account has read and write access. Open Final Cut Pro again after confirming your permissions. Create a new library or open an existing one. In the menu bar, click on File and then select the media files you want to import. Make sure to choose the appropriate import settings. Click Import Selected to bring the files into Final Cut Pro. Wait for the files to finish importing. You can now access and edit your OneDrive files directly within Final Cut Pro. To keep your files organized, consider creating a dedicated project folder within OneDrive. Periodically sync your OneDrive to ensure all updates and changes are saved. That's it. You're now connected to OneDrive in Final Cut Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.